If your tabs in Google Chrome look too small, too crowded, or difficult to manage, don't worry. Many users want larger tabs for easier visibility or smaller tabs to fit more websites on the screen at the same time. Chrome does not include a direct button called Change Tab Size, but there are several easy methods that can help you adjust how tabs appear and behave. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to change tab size in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, look at the tabs at the top of the browser window. You may notice that when more tabs are opened, Chrome automatically shrinks them to fit the available space. One of the easiest ways to make tabs appear larger is by reducing the number of open tabs. Close unused tabs and you will immediately notice the remaining tabs becoming wider and easier to read. Another very effective method is adjusting Chrome zoom or your computer display scaling. On Windows, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Under the Scale section, increasing the display scaling can make browser tabs and other interface elements appear larger. For example, changing the scaling from 100% to 125% or 150% can make tabs easier to see. If you only want to adjust Chrome itself, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. In the menu, look for the Zoom option. Clicking the plus button increases the browser size, including tabs and interface elements. This can help users who find Chrome tabs too small to read comfortably. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for faster zoom control. Press Ctrl and the plus key on Windows to zoom in, or Command and the plus key on Mac. To zoom out, press Ctrl and the minus key or Command and the minus key. To reset Chrome back to normal size, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. Another useful feature in newer Chrome versions is tab grouping. If your tabs feel too small because too many are open, right-click on a tab and select Add Tab to New Group. This helps organize tabs into sections and reduces clutter at the top of the browser window. Some users also install Chrome extensions that change tab appearance or improve tab management. To explore these, open the Chrome Web Store and search for tab management extensions. Be careful to install only trusted extensions with good ratings and reviews. If your tabs suddenly became too small after an update, restarting Chrome or resetting browser settings may help. Open Chrome Settings, search for Reset, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This can fix unusual interface issues caused by broken settings or extensions. You should also keep Chrome updated because newer versions sometimes improve tab design and browser scaling support. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Another simple trick is maximizing the Chrome window fully. Smaller browser windows automatically reduce tab width, while a maximized window gives tabs more space to expand. This can make a noticeable difference, especially on laptops or smaller monitors. So, that's the easiest way to change tab size in Google Chrome in 2026. The main methods are reducing the number of open tabs, adjusting display scaling, changing Chrome zoom levels, organizing tabs with groups, and updating Chrome if needed. Most users can improve tab visibility and browser organization within just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.